रहे हैं, आइए आपको बराह रास्त सिखाते हैं।
Centers were designed as building blocks, linking universities with industry, translating research into applications, and developing indigenous technological capability. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, Pakistan began assembling an ecosystem where data algorithms, compute capacity, and skilled human capital could converge under a national framework. However, technological transformation demands policy continuity. Unfortunately, the political change of 2018 disrupted this momentum. Institutional focus weakened, coordination fragmented, and the transition from capacity building to industrial deployment remained incomplete. In the digital economy, lost time is not neutral. It carries a real opportunity cost. Recognizing this gap, after the formation of PDM government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Ministry of Planning took a deliberate corrective step. We established a national task force on artificial intelligence because AI could no longer be treated as a peripheral or experimental domain. The task force brought together federal and provincial governments, academia and research institutions, industry, startups and practitioners, policy, legal and regulatory experts, and different ministries of the government. Its mandate was clear: to move Pakistan from fragmented initiatives to a coherent national AI framework aligned with development priorities. The work of this task force directly supported the Ministry of Information Technology under the leadership of Minister Shaza Khaja in formulation of Pakistan's first national artificial intelligence policy. This was an important institutional correction. With the AI policy in place, Udan Pakistan government's development program provides execution architecture to translate intent into outcomes. Udan Pakistan is not another vision document. It is a call to the nation to now win Marka-e Taraqi after winning the Marka-e Haq. It is an economic transformation framework focused on productivity, exports and competitiveness to turn Pakistan into a $1 trillion economy by 2035 by building strong foundations of a techno-economy driven by artificial intelligence. This year, we are setting up new national centers: National Center for Quantum Computing, National Center for New Manufacturing, National Center for Nanotechnology, and a Quantum Valley project, which will be a model of holistic innovation ecosystem with 4 specialized science parks in emerging technologies, mines and minerals, agri-tech, and biosciences. Ladies and gentlemen, from Vision 2010 to 25 and now to Udan Pakistan, the direction has been consistent to move Pakistan from consumption to creation, from regulation to intelligence, and from potential to performance. Ladies and gentlemen, we are determined to align our vision with execution, technology with ethics, and innovation with inclusion. Indus AI is a call to action and our pledge that Pakistan will not merely adapt to AI state, AI age, or fintech, blockchain, cyber security era. Pakistan will shape it and lead it. Inshallah, Pakistan Zindabad.
It is my deep honor to welcome the Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, to kindly come up and address the audience. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Honorable Prime Minister, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Mr. Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Distinguished guests from our brotherly and friendly countries, from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Turkey, and many other friendly countries. Minister for IT, Muhtarma Shaza Khwaja, Secretary IT, Honorable Federal Ministers, Excellencies, governors and government officials, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great pleasure and honor to be here to attend an event which is going to not only change the technological landscape of Pakistan, but this will be nothing short of a game changer. And of course, in collaboration with our most friendly and brotherly countries, we will start running on this shared pathway with great commitment and enthusiasm. Ladies and gentlemen, in Pakistan, under the able leadership of my leader, Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, we were striving our best to be in line with modern requirements and meet modern challenges. Under the dynamic leadership of Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, we undertook various initiatives in the province of Punjab when I was the chief minister over there, which were very, very relevant and important to the promotion of education, health, revenues, and encouraging our youth. I would like to just figure out a few initiatives which came to my mind while I was reflecting on the past. For example, in 2010 onwards, we started with a program handing over laptops to our very high achievers in the province of Punjab, both in schools and colleges. And these were in at least 500,000 during my span as Chief Minister of Province, as well as here in the federal government led by Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. And then, ladies and gentlemen, e-libraries in the schools, which was unheard of. Average person couldn't have imagined that e-libraries in the remote areas of Punjab, and then e-stamp papers to generate additional revenue which was being siphoned off through collusion. And then Punjab Land Digitization Plan through great partnership with World Bank, which eased out corrupt revenue officer. They were carrying bags in their offices. They would tinker with the record and money would exchange hands. All this was brought to a grinding halt through complete digitization. It took a lot of time, a lot of efforts, but then there we were and completed this program by 2015-16. First safe city in Pakistan was established in Lahore. First IT university was established in Lahore, in Pakistan. And then similarly, ladies and gentlemen, we were able to do a lot of other interventions. And here we are today learning our lesson from the past. And today Pakistan is absolutely ready on its toes to join the world in the field of AI interventions. I'm pleased to announce that the government of Pakistan is committed to invest $1 billion in AI by 2030, which will go a long way in building AI ecosystem in our country. 2, AI curriculum will be introduced not only in all federally controlled or run schools, but also all schools of AJK, that is Azad Jammu and Kashmir, and Gilgit-Baltistan, as well as remote parts of Balochistan, to prepare our youth for leadership and digital economy. 3, we'll provide 1,000 fully funded PhD scholarships in AI to our boys and girls all over the country by 2030 to build a world-class research center fully capacitated. And last but not the least, we will launch a nationwide program to train 1 million non-IT professionals in AI skills, enabling them to enhance productivity and improving livelihoods. Pakistan is absolutely ready to accept the challenge and walk with our global partners absolutely with great commitment and dedication. Main areas of focus would be agriculture, it would be our mines and minerals, it would be to empower our youth. As you know, Pakistan has a population of 240 million people, and out of this, 60% belong to our boys and girls, and we have to empower them with modern knowledge, modern techniques, and IT startups, IT technicians are now already very concerned and feeling the heat and the challenge. But I want to tell them, and that they should have no concern at all, that we will, inshallah, bring in programs to transform them from IT technicians to AI experts, which will lead to our agriculture production in terms of its yield, its quality, its efficiency, like never before. In the field of industry, commerce, trade, women's emancipation, everything under the sun, I want to assure you, ladies and gentlemen, with your solid cooperation, with your hand-holding, Pakistan will be a great partner in this field. I just want to conclude with the following submissions. A, as I speak, we have almost transformed Federal Board of Revenue, our revenue collection authority, through digitization, and it's doing a great job. We have controlled smuggling in Pakistan through various most modern initiatives, bringing in scanners and other digitized instruments which have been installed at various ports of Pakistan. We are recovering lost sums of monies, tax evaded through collusion, again through these platforms. And we are offering quality training to our young boys and girls in the field of agriculture, commerce, trade, and many other areas of Pakistan's economic agenda. Ladies and gentlemen, sky is the limit. It's a long way to go. On the way, we'll face great challenges, but our commitment is solid, unwavering. We will never look back. We'll keep on moving forward, marching forward, till a point will come one day soon when Pakistan will find its destiny amongst community of nations. Thank you very much. Thank you for your visit. God bless you. Pakistan, Paindabad.
इस्लामाबाद में इंडस AI वीक की इफ्तिताही तकरीब से वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि पाकिस्तान मुश्तरका राह पर अज़्म और जोश के साथ कदम बढ़ा रहा है। लाहौर में पहला सेफ सिटी मंसूबा और पहली IT यूनिवर्सिटी भी कायम की गई है। ज़मीन के रिकॉर्ड की शफाफियत को भी यकीनी बनाया गया है। इंडस AI वीक इवेंट मुल्क के टेक्नोलॉजिकल मंजरनामे को बदल देगा। इवेंट आलमी सतह पर पाकिस्तान को एक मजबूत पार्टनर के तौर पर सामने लाएगा। उन्होंने साथ साथ ये भी बताया कि बतौर वजीर आला पंजाब उन्होंने तालीम, सेहत, महसूलात और नौजवानों के लिए कई मंसूबे शुरू किए थे। बतौर वजीर आला पंजाब सूबे IT के शोबे पर खुसूसी तवज्जो दी थी। इक़दामात में होनहार तलबा को लैपटॉप की फराहमी और ई लाइब्रेरीज का क़याम भी शामिल है।